So, there I was just casually trading after playing Fallout 4 for a couple of hours, and I thought to myself, hey, I wonder what would happen if a very lucky person would start trading. I mean, like a character with a lack stats all maxed out. And you know what? Probably they would just lose money. And I think so because luck does not mean all in trading. Quality market analysis is much more important. Anyway, let me show you how I initially got to this question, and trust me, there was both some luck and some great market analysis involved. And I want to start with this EUR/CAD market that's currently trading in a downtrend, the price going down in this sort of wave pattern. And there are a couple of things that caught my attention. First is the MACD indicator. As you can see, its lines are leaving the overbought zone and are going further down. And second, just take a close look at how the market is currently trading. And now compare it to the two previous waves we've seen before. Notice anything? Right. In all three cases, the price reaches the resistance, then goes back down towards the support, and then goes back up to the resistance. And if we project this trend onto the current situation, it tells us that the price should go even further down. So I enter the market with a 10-minute put option. Let's see what happens now. Now, would you look at this beauty? Just like 2 drops of water. Oh, more I guess. Anyway, the trade turns us a profit and we move on to the next one. This time we're trading EUR/USD and I see a great opportunity on this 3-minute timeframe chart. And yes, there's a bit of a problem here. The market became more volatile in this zone, but at the same time it showed where the balance lies. Look, the bulls led the price to this level of resistance, but they couldn't break it. And if you look at the shadows, it looks like they won't, at least in the short term. So it appears that the bears are gaining ground and the market should go down. I'd say down until the level of support, or maybe even lower. So I get myself a 10-minute put option and, as always, share this signal with our Telegram followers. Let's see where the price goes now. By the way, in the past few weeks we've analyzed a ton of great trades. And if you're interested in day trading, I think you might enjoy our Telegram channel where we post all this. Meanwhile, the price did go down, just as I said. Alright then, I have just another trade for you. Want to take a look? We switch to AUDJPY, and here we see a pattern forming on the chart. Recognize it? It's a good old wedge pattern. And he's our good friend when you want to know where the trend reversal is going to happen. And we also have a huge shadow here. I guess the bulls were trying really hard to break this resistance, but they were ultimately defeated. So, that's a 10-minute put if you ask me. Perfect analysis, great pattern, very decent profit. Not too bad, eh? Alright, even though we've been quite lucky today, I'm gonna call it a day. If you know me, you know that I don't like to test my luck, so we count the profit and end the session. Mind you, 3 trades in the green in a row is more than enough, and it fits perfectly into my money management strategy. It's not the last day we make a profit, and for now, I just want to relax and recharge for a bit before I go trading again. Anyway, I hope to see you very soon, and as always, stay safe and be in touch.